Dave Bautista is one of the richest wrestlers in America with a net worth exceeding $15 million. Dave has acquired immense popularity worldwide from the blockbuster films he starred in. Recently, he exposed that he was broke and had nothing before he was casted in Guardians of the Galaxy. "Drax didn't just change my career, it literally changed the trajectory of my life," Dave said. So, how did Dave become so wealthy? And what is his millionaire lifestyle? Let's find out. Dave is a collector of luxury items, and he owns some very impressive and expensive cars. Later in today's video, we are going to expose his amazing collection, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are back with another hot topic, the millionaire lifestyle of Dave Bautista. So make sure you watch the video to the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Dave Bautista was born on 18 January 1969 in Washington, D.C. He is famously known for his ring name Bautista in WWE. He has acquired 6 World Championship titles to his name as he won the WWE Championship twice and World Heavyweight Championship 4 times. In 2012, Classical Entertainment and Sports offered him a contract to fight in mixed martial arts. After that, he made a name for himself in the film industry when he starred in some blockbuster films like The Man with the Iron Fist in 2012, Riddick in 2013, and Guardians of the Galaxy in 2014. The majority of his earnings came from wrestling, and the rest came through his acting profession. His acting career added millions to his net worth. For people to really understand how much my life has changed, they would have to understand where I came from, what I went through when I was in wrestling, what I left behind to take a chance on going into acting, Dave said. He received a $1.4 million check for Guardians of the Galaxy, $3 million for Volume 2, and he made $4 million from Avengers Infinity War and Endgame. Dave may have had a lot of success as an actor and as a well-known celebrity in the ring, but his marriages weren't as successful. He got married 4 times and has 3 kids. The millionaire wrestler lives in a dream house in Lutz, Florida. The luxurious home covers a total area of 4,000 square feet. It is a contemporary-styled home with a gate entrance. The extra luxurious mansion includes an in-ground swimming pool and a spa. One of his most glamorous cars is his Lamborghini Murcielago, which is worth more than $220,000. This Lamborghini Murcielago uses a 6.2-liter engine, which is equipped for putting out 641 horsepower. It can accelerate the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and has a top speed of 205 miles per hour. When Dave bought the car, people rumored that he would not fit inside of the car due to his huge body. But he proved everyone wrong when he took his first ride in the car. Dave Bautista is also a huge fan of BMW and owns some of the brand's most amazing cars. If you are looking for a luxurious and unique car, it's definitely the BMW 7 Series, which has a 4.4-liter engine and is capable of pumping out 329 horsepower. Dave bought this luxurious car for $72,000. Most of his collection includes the world's most expensive cars and SUVs, so he also added a few motorbikes which helped complete his collection. Dave owns one of the world's most famous bikes, the Senzi Chopper. He loves this bike so much that he takes it along wherever he goes. "If it's not raining, I'm on this bike," he said. Dave Bautista has had an incredible and unique time in the film and entertainment industries, and all that summed up together has led him to amass an impressive net worth, which he spends very wisely on the things he loves to do. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Dave Bautista? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.